It's so wonderful and magical to see so much fresh green in the spring. It's just the amazing miracles of nature. If you were here, you will have that energy and the magic that this forest is offering in this beautiful end of the day. And the unspoken sound that gets into your heart when you see those branches swaying. I wish you were here, whoever's watching this video. I sending you healing, sending you love, and sending you peace from this beautiful forest, which is Mother Nature speaking to you and healing.